Good morning. It is now 7:20. Woke up late. I was supposed to go catch the sunset, but it's a sunrise. But somebody did not wake me up.
Yeah, yourself.
You didn't wake me up. I was supposed to leave at 6 o'clock. Well, wake up at 6 and leave at 6:30 to catch the sunrise. However, I going on this run to this place called Oistins. So I just finished my run and I ended up on this beautiful stretch of beach in Oistins, Barbados. So I ran from all the way over there, come straight here. What the hell is this? Is it a grape or a sea grape or something? Another cool thing about this beach is that, you see it? Wait, what? Where'd it go? Oh my god. I just ran home. Straight to my house. Oh god. Oh my god. Why did I do this? Oh my god. Oh wow. Game 2. That was it?
Yeah.
It's 21. Oh, game 3. Play again?
Yeah, play again.
Alright, let's go.
Gang, gang.
Gang, gang. Play it again. Gotta get something to drink. That was epic. I got blocked twice. This sucks, man. This fucking sucks. I got blocked twice. Alright, that's enough volleyball for today. Jeez, that was epic.